Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today, if you can see by the layout, that we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes, our sinking funds, and we are going to be paying some bills. So I'm super excited to be showing y'all how much money we are going to be putting towards everything. Now, if you're new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you are going to be paying this week. If you're going to be paying, a big amount towards debt or transferring a lot of it towards savings, let me know. I would absolutely love to know. So this week is payday, like I said, and I already went ahead and wrote down how much we got paid for paycheck number 1, which also includes a side hustle. So I didn't divide that up, but it's $1,892. And whenever I said side hustles, if you are new, that means like any reselling. If I didn't get anything from YouTube, but it's mostly going to be from eBay reselling. So $1,892. Now we're going to move towards bills. So all my bills are listed and we have the amounts that I usually pay, and then paycheck number 1 and paycheck number 2. The only amount that's going to be different is house. Now house, I usually pay the second half of the bill the first week of the month, because technically my payment is like the first of every month, but you have until the 17th before they charge me like $30. So I usually just pay at or divide the bill up from the very end of the month and then the first paycheck of each month, if that makes sense. But so for the house, we put $218. Now that is going to be for last month's bill. So let's just say last month, which technically pays for May. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. All right, car payment. Since we had 3 paychecks last month, we are dividing car payment into 3 payments. And it's regularly $498. So I usually just divide that by 2. But since we had a 3rd paycheck in April, I started putting money back towards this bill. So it's going to be $166 is how much going to go towards car this week. Phone, we are not going to put anything in there this week. Capital One, we put, the amount was $70, but we put an extra $100, and that is going to be going towards debt. American Eagle, we can actually scratch that out because we did pay for it, which I'm super excited. The Chase card or my Disney card is going to be getting $176. That is going to be the full amount for the whole month of, it's due June 1st. So I went ahead and paid for that amount. Insurance is going to be getting $50. And then light, I actually already had this layout already planned out where all my money is going to go. And then literally that same night that I finished writing my cheat sheet and everything, they posted the amount for my light bill, which is going to be $72. So we're just going to pay that on paycheck number 2. So I'm just going to do $0 for that. So we are going to just tally that up. So that is $218 plus 166 plus 100 plus 176 plus 50 is going to equals to $110. So I'm just going to make sure, yep, so $710. And we're just going to go ahead and subtract that from $1,892. And that is going to be $1,182. $1,182. So I'm just going to add that to my calculator. So these are all the bills that we are going to be paying for paycheck number 2. And then whenever we get another paycheck, that is going to go towards paycheck number 2, which means that all my bills are going to be paid up at the end of the month. Now, I flipped over to the sinking funds, but we are going to go ahead and stuff our groceries, our cash envelopes. So if you're new, my cash envelopes is going to be groceries, gas, and fun money. Now I do have some extra money left over, and that is going to be going towards the money challenges that I do every single Tuesday. So be sure to have those notifications open because those videos come out every Tuesday at 5 p.m. CST. So for groceries, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So $13 left over groceries, and I'm just going to set that aside, and that's going to go towards the money challenge. So groceries is going to be getting $100, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. So $100 towards groceries. Gas, we have $10 left, and the only reason I have $10 left is because my mom came over this past weekend and she actually gave me, I think, $10 in gas, which it didn't fill up, but it did help me because then I only had to pay for $10 in gas to fill up my tank, so technically $20. So gas is going to be getting $100 as well, 20, 40, 60, 81. And then fund money. So fund money is anything that is pretty much a splurge to me. But here lately, I have been using it for yard sales, which I absolutely love going to yard selling. Love finding things so I can resell on eBay. So it's a little side hustle plus enjoying myself buying stuff because I do like to go shopping. So I'm technically buying gifts for people because they buy it and then I shipped it to them. It's kind of like a little present coming in the mail. So fund money is going to get $100, so 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. So $100. And that is it for the cash envelopes. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract $300 from that. So that leaves us with $882. So we did put $100 in savings. And then for cushions, I put $300 because I plan on getting a, what do I need? I need a new pair of scrubs. I also need to buy some stuff for my friend for her bridal shower that's coming up. So we are going to be doing 300 minus 300. So that is $482 is how much we have left. And then this right here is $200. So we're going to go ahead and subtract that. $282. So what I'm going to do with this rest of this money is actually I'm going to transfer half of it. I'm going to transfer $100 towards savings again. So that is actually going to be $200 that's going to be transferred to savings. And then the $182 is actually going to be going towards an extra payment for debt. So I am super excited about that. Trying to knock out the, what's it called? The $2,000 Capital One credit card that I have. So that is going to leave me with a zero balance. Oh, that was a lot, you guys. I know. Let's just take a moment. Okay, so sinking funds. Sinking funds, like I said, we have $200 to work with. So medical is going to be getting $20. I missed car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20. Renewals is getting $20. Special occasion is getting $30. Vacation is getting $50. Home is getting $5. Christmas is going to be getting $5. Beauty is going to be getting $10. And then Dobby is going to be getting $40. So we're going to go ahead and count that up real quick. So that's 2, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, plus 50, plus 5, 10, it's 20, plus 40. So that's $200. And this should be $200 as well. So first off, we have car maintenance. So car maintenance is going to be getting $20. 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm going to say 90, and then 20, 40, and 45. So 90 plus 45 is going to be $135, right? Yes, 100. That's 100. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Last time I messed this up, and then one of my friends on here told me about it. So very thankful for them. So 100 plus 90 plus 20, 40, 45 equals $235. I really do need to break a 50 or put another 50 in here because counting with a 50 is going to drive me crazy. $235. Moving on to medical, we are going to be putting $20. $50, $100, $20, $40, $60, $80, $85, $90, and $91. So $191. Now I'm kind of scared that I didn't put $20 in my cart maintenance. If I have a $20 left, that's where it's going to go. Renewals is going to be getting $20. And this is actually going to be depleted. Not all of it. Probably like $40 of it because I do need to finish my certification, like my CEUs and everything. So we're going to put $20. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 35, 36, and 37. So $137. Moving on, we have special occasions. Special occasion is going to be getting $30. I actually already took $65 out of special occasion a couple of days ago because I did end up buying my friend her bridal shower gift online last night. So that's why it is pretty low. So I'm done with her bridal shower gift. So now I just need to focus on hair and makeup and now alterations. So 20, 40, 50, 60. So that is $60 and I need $65 for hair and makeup plus tip. But we'll get there. I think we have 2 more paychecks before wedding, so. Vacation, now vacation, I'm going to count it, but we are doing a Disney challenge on Tuesday, so I will be coloring in a little Disney challenge, a little template that I got from Chris Budget here on YouTube and also on Etsy. So we are going to be doing that on Tuesday. So $50 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40. Oh, there's a 50. Let's see. 20, 40, 45, 50, and 100. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $500 is how much we have. And this is actually going to be going to the bank because I did get these little money cards. So they're just fake money and it says $500, $500. And I do have a $1,000 one. So we are going to be depositing our Disney one and we are going to be using these money cards. So I'm super excited. I know a lot of people like me counting the money, but it's okay, you guys. And I also got these from Easy Budgets. So Easy Budgets, thank you so much. She does have a YouTube channel and she is on Instagram by that name. So $500. Home is going to be getting $5. 100, 5, 10, and 15. $115. Christmas is getting, we already have $500 on Ibotta, and then we have 5, 10, 15, and 16. So $516. Okay, and then we are going to be moving on to beauty. Beauty is going to be getting $10. So this technically could be my hair and makeup for the wedding. And then I will use the special occasion for my dress alteration, my shoes, my jewelry, all that stuff. So Beauty is going to be getting $10. Oh no, I think I'm leaving a 5. Oh no. I think I had a 5. Did I put a 5 in here? That's the real question. Oh gosh, you guys. So we have 10, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. So $87. So this is probably most likely going to be going towards my hair and makeup. And then Dobby is going to be getting $40. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. $57. Guys, where did this $5 come from? Like, the only thing it would come from is home. So let's check home. So it's $115. Let's check last month and see. Did I put a 5 in here? That's the real question. I did 110, so it's 115. Maybe I just had an extra. I'm so confused. Guys, let me know. I know y'all are going to be watching this. Let me know where this $5 go. Or is it just an extra? Did I not count right? I don't know. So it's getting pretty long, this video. I know a lot of people do love long videos. So I'm just going to put this $5 set aside. Let me know where it goes. I'm going to have to like recheck my numbers and everything. So, but that's okay. So let's do our total for the sinking fund. So there's 235 plus 191 plus 137 plus 60 plus 500 plus 115 plus 516 plus 87 and plus 57 equals to $1,898, you guys. $1,898 is how much we have in sinking fund. So I am super excited about that. So that is it, you guys. This is my pay my bills budget. This is my sinking fund budget. This is my cash envelope. So we stuffed everything. Nothing was left behind except for this $5, you guys. So let me know where this $5 go. I'm going to double check my numbers and everything, but y'all are the real detectives. Y'all are true OGs, and I know y'all going to be watching out for me and letting me know where this goes. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for everything that you do for me, for all your love and support. Check me out on Tuesday when we are doing our money challenge, and then I'll see you next week for another video for Saturday. Anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.